Hey guys, and welcome to the Site123 review. Site123 is one of the easiest website builders out there with lots of great features. Many users Site123 reviews say that their service is very user-friendly, intuitive, and in general just great. We checked those reviews on Trustpilot, and yeah, they do seem pretty great. But is it actually going to be the best choice for you? So we will be going to dig deeper into the small details about this product, see what kind of features and tools it has, how good it actually is, and I will do my best to highlight all the pros and cons. And if you would be interested to read more about this and other website builders, do feel free to visit our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com for more written reviews and comparisons. All of the links that I just mentioned are in the description down below. There are links to the special deals and discounts down below as well, which do not appear on their main website. Do keep that in mind, especially if you will like this Site123 review. So let's start off by going to the main website of Site123. From the very first looks of their main page, we can already see that it has to be one of, if not the most, simplistic websites out there. It barely has any buttons and it already sends us this idea of a very user-friendly website builder. The registration process is very easy as well. You can just log in using your Google, Facebook account and you're pretty much good to go. So once you log in, you will be asked what kind of website you're planning to create. Whether it's going to be a business website, an online shop, portfolio, or anything else. You can see all of the categories on the screen right now. So we choose the one which we think that suits us the best. We enter the name and our website is already being generated. And that's it, you're in the edit screen of your website. Now then, this Site123 review is not going to be a tutorial showing and explaining all the steps you can do with the control panel, but I will do my best showing the main and most attractive features that Site123 has to offer. So right off the bat, you can edit the template if you don't like the one that is already given to you. We press templates and then we can choose whichever we want. One thing to notice is that their templates are not very different from one another. They seem to be quite similar. Although you can edit the design of the templates, change the colors, but if you want something different or more interesting, you'll have to go for a premium service. One more thing to mention is that if you're into coding and you would like to access the source code of the template, well, this will not be possible with Site123. But if you're just a beginner, this could be a really great choice for you. There's something else which I haven't mentioned in this Site123 review yet, and that's the possible edits you can do to your website. Keep in mind that this is not a drag and drop website builder, which means that you cannot take something and drag it anywhere on the website, whether it's a button, a text box, some image, or anything else. Some of you might find it a little limiting. On the other hand, some might find it very relieving because again, Site123 is considered to be a very user-friendly product. However, all of the text, buttons, backgrounds of the website can be edited, which means that you will be able to make your website look however you want. You can even change the structure of it from the options provided. Fonts are also editable in the design section, if you would like to do so. In the domain section, you can add a domain name which you already own, or you can purchase one if you don't have it yet. What's cool is that you'll get a free voucher for a domain name if you happen to purchase a premium plan. So that's gonna be some additional value to you. Also, if you're planning on selling something online using your website, you can also add an e-commerce page to your website with just a few clicks. However, you will not be able to accept payments with a free plan. And there are plenty of other options for the pages you can add to your website. A portfolio page, FAQ page, gallery, and many more. So let's continue this Site123 review by talking about the applications and plugins that you can use with their website builder. So there's a lot you can add to your website, but these features are only available if you purchase one of the top 2 plans. I will talk a little more about them later. So there are plenty of plugins such as Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Facebook Chat, Intercom, and there are plenty more to choose from. While some of the applications can cost you around $20, most of them are actually free to use. I believe that this is a great feature to have because it will most definitely give you a lot of various options to be implemented onto your website. And guys, if you honestly like video reviews like that, which does require a lot of time to put together, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It does mean a lot to me and this channel. And also check out our website, mybestwebsitebuilder.com, for more reviews like that. I just wanted to remind you that. So let's talk about the pricing. There are 4 main plans which you can choose from. There's the basic, advanced, professional, and gold. Prices do change from time to time, so be sure to check it out right now. There's a link for that in the description. So, as mentioned before, you will be getting a free domain for 1 year with all of the plans mentioned. With the most advanced plan, you will be getting 270 gigabytes of storage, 135 gigabytes of bandwidth, which is not bad for a premium plan. However, some of the other website builders such as Xero or Squarespace offer unlimited resources. You'll also be getting 10,000 marketing emails, 10 mailboxes, and lots of other handy features. On the other hand, I would say that if your main goal and plan is to build just a single website with minimum requirements, you'll be satisfied with the basic or the advanced plan, depending on your website's traffic and needs in general. But if you're planning on building an e-commerce website, most definitely consider getting the top 2 plans, which are definitely not the most affordable ones, but surely come with a certain value which should benefit you in the long term. Alright, so now let's sum up this Site123 review by highlighting all the pros and cons of this website builder and highlight who is this website builder actually going to be best for. Considering that we have gone in depth with this Site123 review and checked most, if not all, of the features that Site123 has, looked at the templates, plugins, prices, and every small detail, I can see that this website builder is going to be especially good for those who are just starting with website building and never had any experience before. On the other hand, if you have some experience in coding, you might lack the freedom to edit the source code, and if you are a very experienced coder, I would say go with a more advanced website builder such as Squarespace. But I would still say that Site123 is a very affordable website builder platform with the lowest price of a little more than $4 a month with our discount code. It is very easy to use and user-friendly, it has lots of templates, and it's really easy to use the whole platform. On the drawback side, I would say that Site123 has minimal customization features compared to other website builders, and I would really love to see the ability to drag and drop different buttons, text boxes, and so on. So to put everything into a conclusion, I feel that Site123 is a very decent website builder with great features, especially for those who are just starting their website building journey. That is going to be it for our Site123 review. I hope that it helped you understand whether it's a good product for you or you might be looking for something else. We've done other reviews on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check out our other videos and check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com for more written reviews, comparisons, and special deals. We have links for those in the description down below. I will see you in the next video.